Hi, I'm Philippe Gaulier, Supply Chain Director at Safran. Safran is a global aerospace company with 16 billion euro of revenue. I am here because B2B supply chain is one of most underestimated competitive advantage. Our daily challenge is to ship 50K product in 50 countries. In such complexity, we have to innovate to bring more and more value to our customer, Airbus, Boeing, airlines, and we have to innovate and we have to anticipate to reduce cycles to increase our profitability. The team I am about to introduce has a deep understanding of customer needs, and ultimately, they know how to build a unique product. I would like to introduce Julien Cote, CEO of Wakeo. Julien.
Hi, I am Julien Cote, the CEO of Wakeo. I grew up in the port environment, and I've seen how disorganized B2B supply chains are. That's why we decided to bring technology into this high-potential market. We created Wakeo, a SaaS platform to bring real-time visibility over B2B transport flows by sea, air, and road. In 2017, leading industrial companies have global supply chains which are very complex. And there is a problem. Most of these companies have a shocking lack of visibility of their B2B transport operations. And they can't answer two key questions. Where are the goods? And when will they arrive at destination? I'm going to show you an example. You are the logistic manager of a supplier in the automotive industry. You're supposed to deliver critical spare parts to your customer at 8 a.m. At 8:30, the truck has not arrived yet. Your customer is worried. He calls you. You then need to call your carrier, who actually outsourced to another carrier, who outsourced himself to another carrier. It takes 2 hours to find out that the truck has a 4-hour delay due to traffic congestion. Beyond the painful process, customer experience is broken. And the spare parts are essential. If he needs to stop the production line, he'll lose several million euros. So if you are dealing with 50 shipments a year, that might be okay. But if you manage hundreds of thousands of flows, this turns into a total nightmare. That's why we built Wakeo, a central SaaS platform to consolidate all transport partners and to bring real-time visibility of the B2B transport flows by sea, air, and road. Our customers are the industrial shippers themselves, meaning, for instance, companies in aerospace, chemistry, or luxury. With our technology, we can tell where the goods are, anytime, anywhere. We use satellite data to track ships and planes. We connect to trucks' GPS systems, and we leverage data from IoT devices. We have a global coverage of 90% of containers all over the world. We are not a hardware company. We are a software with a turnkey solution. We aggregate fragmented data into a central and easy-to-use dashboard. And more importantly, we use machine learning to predict times of arrival, and we send alerts to operational teams directly to their smartphones. At Wakeo, we change the supply chain from reactive to predictive. And we bring 3 key aspects to our customers. First, anticipation, so they don't have to stop the production line when there is a delay. In the industries we work with, this costs up to 500,000 euros an hour. Second, reliability, to reduce cash flow cycles and inventories. For a global company that needs to finance 1 billion euros of inventories, this means saving up to 6 million euros a year of credit cost. And third, we improve customer experience to bring the same anticipation capacity to the end user. We operate on a volume-based business model. We launched commercially in September. We are already working with 4 international companies in 10 countries, including a pilot that we are running with a global gas company, Air Liquide. For our customers, we are able to rapidly deploy our technology in a couple of weeks to bring them visibility, predictability, and efficiency. All these industrial companies are spending $1 trillion every year to move their goods. And this will be growing at a 3% rate over the next 3 years. That's why it's time to bring data into the supply chain, to make it smarter and more efficient. I worked at PwC, where I met my co-founder, Loic, a data scientist. We've been working together for 5 years. And with our team, we know how to choose the relevant data, how to interpret it, and how to leverage technology to build tomorrow's supply chain. It will be fast, real-time, and predictive to provide the ultimate competitive edge for industrial companies. We are raising a seed round. Join us in creating the supply chain of the future. Thank you very much.